talked about how to add our logo, our site title. Let's talk now about how to start changing our colors and our fonts, and we're going to even talk about how to change our buttons. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard, and again, we're going to the customizer. So hover over Appearance and then select Customize. And when we get to our customizer, we're going to see that we have colors and fonts. So I'm going to click into that. All right, and first we're going to go to colors. So we have global color palettes with the Kadence theme. And this means that if I want to change this color, this black color, and that's the color I'm using for most of my text, all my headings and my copy, then it's going to update everywhere that that color is used. So I'll show you what I mean. If I change it to red, voila, everything that was using that color is now red. All right, so that is just an example of how the global color palettes work. I'm going to put it back to what it was before. There's also 3 different color palettes that you can have. So here's palette 2. I think I messed around with the colors in this one. They don't necessarily look great, but you can change these. And then there's also palette 3, which I didn't edit these colors. This is just a default option that came with the Kadence theme, but you see the effect that it's having on our website overall. Okay, so we're going to go back to palette 1 because that's the design that looks the best. So there are some other options down here. If you want to change like your text links color, I have them set to just this dark charcoal, and then when you hover over them, they are a lighter gray. You can see that happen right here or here. Feel free to change those colors if you would like to. And feel free to play around with any of these other settings, but for the scope of this tutorial, that is how you customize your colors.